lifestyle of the shady and famous. Big bags of money, bullet hole where your brain is. Dope, fish scale where the cane is. Fully loaded clip 45 where the gauge is. Shady, and I'ma lay down the format. We got artillery, it's written on the doormat. See the barrel of the gun as soon as the door crack. Do the hand to hand and then I wait for more to come back. West, they come around like boomerang. I got the dope fiends whipped like Pootie Tang. I push the dope fiends whips when I do my thing, and then I shut down shop when the booty came. Shady, now it's time for me to re-up. Move a half a brick today, it's time to count the cheese up. And I ain't even smoke today, it's time to roll the weed up. Get the girl up off her knees and tell the hoe to clean up.
The lifestyle of the shady and famous. Big bags of cash, bullet hole where your brain is. I ride, I bang, I push, I slip, my shit, I'm hood, I'm shady. My lifestyle, shady, 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 my lifestyle.
Double barrel cock back, ready to launch that and give the catch a chance to come back. So run that. The jack takes place, show my dog where the fun's at, and you can show me where the work at, and I can show you where the G's get murked at. We hurt cats on the west, serve cats, burn cats on the west. I heard you rappers over there not feeling the west, but when I shoot where you be feeling your chest, man, the shit gets real. These old cats blow stacks on hood rats and pills. These young cats blow backs to kill. We serve crack, hit jack so we can stack our skrill. All I wanna do is count my meal and state my claim, so the snitch nigga states my name. I got a Mac with a muzzle to misplace his brain. I got a pick and a shovel so I can bury his frame, so that you never snitch on no one again. Shady.
The lifestyle of the shady and famous. Big bags of cash, bullet hole where your brain is. I ride, I bang, I push, I slip, my shit, I'm hood, I'm shady. My lifestyle, shady, 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 my lifestyle, shady.